Part 3. UI Layer, MVVM View. We have finished 6 steps. Now we are at Step 7. Home Screen UI. This code creates a home screen for a note-taking app using Flutter and Riverpod. It displays a list of notes that are filtered based on a search query entered by the user. The screen includes an app bar titled Quick Notes and a floating action button with a plus icon, which navigates to a screen for adding or editing notes. At the top of the main content area, there's a search text field that updates the filter in real time as the user types. The list of notes is shown below. If there are no notes, it displays a message saying no notes yet. Each note is presented inside a card with its title, a short preview of its content, and the time it was created. Tapping on a note opens the Add/Edit screen with that specific note loaded for editing. Overall, the screen provides an easy way for users to view, search, add, and edit notes, with the app state managed efficiently using Riverpod. In short, this code makes a screen where users can see their notes, search through them, add new notes, or edit existing ones, all managed smoothly with Riverpod. Step 8, Add/Edit Screen UI. This code defines an Add/Edit screen for a note-taking app using Flutter and Riverpod. The screen allows users to either create a new note or edit an existing one, depending on whether a note object is passed to it. If editing, the input fields for the title and content are prefiled with the existing notes data, otherwise, they start empty. This is the Add/Edit screen, which serves a dual purpose of creating new notes and editing existing ones by utilizing a consumer stateful widget to manage user input and interact with Riverpod providers. The screen employs text editing controller instances, title controller and content controller to capture and store user input. Prefiling these controllers with existing data if a note is being edited. The app bar dynamically displays either Add Note or Edit Note depending on the context, and includes a delete button that appears only when editing a note, allowing users to remove the current note seamlessly. The body contains two text fields, one for the title and another for the content, with the content field configured to support multi-line input by setting max lines, null and expands, true, ensuring a flexible editing experience. At the bottom, there's a Save/Update button that performs input validation, preventing empty submissions. If the input is valid, it either calls Add Note to create a new note or Update Note to modify an existing one, and then closes the screen, automatically updating the home screen to reflect the changes through Riverpod State Management.